Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get into the Gummy Bee shop. First, you need to find the large Gummy Bee statue, which is located in the 20B zone. Once you've found it, simply jump on top of the statue. A message will then appear, indicating that the Gummy Bee wants gumdrops. Make sure you have at least one gumdrop in your inventory to proceed. After the Gummy Bee prompts you, use just one gumdrop from your inventory. This action will immediately transport you to the secret gummy bear's lair. It's important to note that you don't necessarily need to own the Gummy Bee itself to enter, but you do need to have achieved the Goo Hotshot badge to gain access to this special area. Once you are inside Gummy Bear's lair, the gummy shop is readily accessible. Take a moment to explore your surroundings. You can also find a dispenser that provides free glue every 22 hours, which is incredibly useful. Additionally, keep an eye out for other valuable resources scattered around, such as enzymes and even star jelly, to boost your progress. The gummy shop offers exclusive and powerful items to enhance your hive. You can purchase the gummy mask, which requires 250 glue, 100 enzymes, 100 oil, and 100 glitter. For an even greater upgrade, the gummy boots are available, costing 999 glue and 100 billion honey. These special items provide substantial benefits for your goo gathering efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.